Wildbird, and we are so excited to have you here. I am sitting down today with Naudis, our community manager, and with Shayla, our marketing director. And we are here to talk about our baby wearing journey and just how it is a journey for all of us, and it's so different, and we all start in different places, and that's okay. And sometimes it comes easier for us, and sometimes it comes with a little more practice. So for me, my experience, I was just so drawn to baby wearing while I was pregnant with my first, and so baby wearing clicked very natural and easy for me, like right away. Like it just clicked and it was easy. But I know that's not the case for everyone. What was your experience like?
I wouldn't say that it clicked instantly.
Okay.
I remember I loved the sling from the get-go, but I just remember a friend pointing out that my seat it was a bit shallow, let's say. And then I went home and I was like, wait, like how should the baby really be sitting in the sling? And then I looked it up and I found this tutorial and I'm like, oh, the bum, below knees, stuff like that. And then I tried it again, and I think it was like the second or third time it clicked. So I think it would be somewhere in between.
Yeah.
And it's totally fine if it does not click instantly. Like, practice.
Totally. What about you, Shayla?
I was way worse than either of these guys. I'm the perfect testament for my first time. It was like a complete disaster. I had this cute tiny baby who had like a very needy, fussy day, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna figure out the sling. So I have all the tutorials pulled up, and I'm trying to watch it, but like my baby was already fussy, and I was trying to get him in there and learn it, and I hadn't practiced on anything beforehand, and I was just like, this isn't gonna work.
Yeah.
And I was like pretty ready to just give up and be like, okay, like obviously ring slings aren't for me. And then I had a friend, and she just gave me a few tips and tricks of things. Once she said, I was like, oh, that's like, why didn't I think of that? Like that's so simple and so easy. And then tried it again, baby was happy. I kind of knew, like, you guys talk about a deep seat. I didn't even know what that was. I was like, what are you talking about, a deep seat? And then it clicks, and as soon as it clicks, it's like easy, simple, so beautiful.
Yay.
I think that's what pushed me. I was like, I will figure this out because it's so cute.
That makes me so happy.
And I'm like obsessed.
I love it. Well, our main message here is do not give up. No matter where you are at in the process of baby wearing, like if you practice, you will get it, and we are always here to help.